Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we have a face-off between the classic American and the spicy Jamaican jerk chicken meatloaf. For this classic recipe, I'm keeping it fairly simple. I'm using some hydrated breadcrumbs, some parmesan cheese. I also have some grated onions and carrots. I'm also throwing in a little bit of awesome sauce, some chopped parsley. As far as seasoning goes, I'm using some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and I'm also putting in a little bit of ketchup. For the ground chicken, I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I use my meat grinder to process them. If you don't have a meat grinder, you can use a food processor as well. I find that the fat content in the chicken thighs help to achieve a more moist and flavorful meatloaf than chicken breast. For the jerk chicken meatloaf, I'm also keeping it fairly simple to the authentic signature jerk flavors. I'm using some all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, and you gotta have that allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, paprika, and some thyme leaves. I'm also adding some browning for that deep, rich color. So let's dig into this classic meatloaf. It is tender, flavorful, and perfectly seasoned. You can use some leftover glaze, some barbecue sauce, or some homemade gravy. This is good. Now on to the jerk chicken meatloaf. If you've ever had jerk chicken, that is it. And the spicy pineapple salsa gives it a sweet, savory twist. What's your favorite? My favorite is the jerk chicken meatloaf recipe. Leave a comment about your favorite meatloaf recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.